Hey guys, this is Logan from Hankster's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It's the Anvil gray color. Up front we have LED front headlights with the factory bumper with the fog lights. This thing's riding on a 2.5-inch progressive coil suspension lift. It's sitting on 17-inch Pro Comp wheels with 285 70/17 tires. Coming around to the side, you'll see we have the aftermarket metal running boards. Bring it inside the car. Black cloth seats, power windows, power mirrors, steering wheel controls. We have the Alpine touchscreen head unit, 6-speed manual transmission, aux-cord grab handles, and the Jeep rubberized floor mats all the way around, and the mat in the spare. Go ahead and show you the back. Very clean, no rips, tears, stains in any of the seats. This is a soft top from factory. It's in very good condition. No rips or tears anywhere. All the zippers work perfectly. It's got a full-size matching spare, a dual Flowmaster exhaust, and it does have the Hitch receiver on the bumper. Opens and shuts perfectly, doesn't hang up anywhere, no sag on the tailgate. Come around this side, no scratches or dents or imperfections in the paint anywhere that you guys can't see. Comes with the aftermarket shorty antenna, and as always our vehicles have a clean Carfax. Go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. This does have the locking hood. This Jeep has 45,000 miles on it.